Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is going to be on the Fibonacci series or the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, this is the execution part. The theoretical concepts, the application, how to generate Fibonacci series is already explained in the previous video. You could just go visit the previous video and you can learn. Okay, so this particular video is only the execution part. Let me teach you how it works. Okay, the same part of code which I taught you in the previous video, the same code I'm going to execute and show it to you. Okay, so what was the first line? We need to ask the user to enter the limit, which means the number of terms in order to print the Fibonacci series. So int, I need to typecast input, enter the number of terms to print Fibonacci series. Okay. So after reading the input n, so the term till where the series should be printed is being stored in the variable n. Okay. What is the first two numbers that should be printed? It is 0 and 1. So I'll make use of a variable a that holds 0 and variable b that holds 1. Okay. So after that, I'll be printing the value of a and b. Print a, print of b. Fine. So after this, I need to get inside the actual concept, which means the third number will be the sum of first number and the second number. So what is the actual mathematical notation? F of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, right? So this is the mathematical notation in order to obtain the Fibonacci series. So the current number will be the sum of the previous two integers. Fine. So as usual, I'm using an iteration counter variable I, which will start from 3 because we are printing the first two default numbers. So I have to start printing from the third number. So I'm using a counter I, which is initialized to 3. Then I'll traverse from 3 till n. 3 till the limit, okay, while I less than or equal to n colon, this is the syntax. So what I should do, I'm declaring another, using another variable sum is equal to previous two numbers. Then I'm printing the value of sum. So after printing, we need to reinitialize the values because we need to find out the next term, which means the current sum value plus the previous b value should be added. So what do? I reinitialize a with value b with value sum. If you see the previous video, you will clearly understand because I have traced the code there. And then for the next number, for the next iteration, and to stop my execution finitely, I need to increment the counter. I is equal to I plus 1, right? So this completes the program. And finally, I write print program terminated successfully. Fine. Okay. After this, now let's execute. Okay, I've done mistake here. Sum is equal to, I need to initialize, right? See, this is the error. See, it is a syntax error because I haven't put previously. I had just given sum. I've forgotten to write equal to, right? I need to initialize the values a plus b into sum. So the error is syntax error, invalid syntax. It shows the error. This is how you have to debug. Go to that particular line, read the error properly, and then you have to debug. Let me run the code now. Okay, enter the number of terms to print Fibonacci series. So I write 5, enter. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, the default values from line number 5 and 6. And the next output, the third one will be from line number 11. Okay, 2 and 3 again, execution from line number 10 till line number 15. And finally, program terminated successfully. Okay, so this is the output. In order to print the I value, what should be the I value here? I'll come out of the while loop. What is the I value here? I should be 6, only when 6, since n is equal to 5. Since n is equal to 5 here, I value after incrementation, the last iteration should be 6, right? Let's check whether I value is 6 or not. Print value of I is equal to, comma, I value. Fine. So let's run. I'll enter 5. See, value of I is equal to 6. So these are placement related questions. So they'll ask you what is the value of 6 after the looping. So it is not 3, it will be the last value of I after the last iteration, the failure iteration. The value of the last iteration will be the value of I. Okay. So I hope the video was very useful. Thank you.